What's up, bearded people? How are you all doing? Today I'm here to address a problem which I've been facing from quite some time, and I'm sure that even you guys have been facing the same. So the problem is detangling of the beard. You use your beard oil, you use your beard wash, you use your conditioner, but yet when you walk out of your place, you always have a detangled beard. The only problem is, how do we straighten the beard? So the perfect remedy that I have found myself today is Bombay Shaving Company's beard straightening kit. It's an amazing product which I'm going to talk about today. So let's dive in. The first product I'm going to talk about is the beard shampoo and conditioner. It's enriched with vitamin E and wheat protein, which actually enriches your beard and has an amazing woody fragrance. The next in line is the beard oil, which comes up with 5x smooth shine and is infused with cedarwood. It helps in circulation, aids in hair follicle repair and fights dandruff. Last but not the least, your solution is the beard straightener, which helps you to get rid of your frizzy beard. It comes with a LED working lamp, has a very ergonomic design, and it is very easy to switch off and switch on. You might be worried about heating your skin up, but it comes with a heat protection comb which protects your beard and also your skin. These three products is the ultimate guide you would need to boost your beard's confidence and get rid of that frizzy beard. I personally loved it, and I am sure you would too. Give it a shot.